Tesla versus NIO, right? Can we still expect more upside as we proceed to the end of the year? Or is it time to kind of like take some profit, right? So these are the two companies I would say, these are pretty much my favorite companies in the electric vehicle space. And over the past 2 to 3 months, we have seen, prices of Tesla and NIO, right, kind of like pushing higher to find a new high. And of course, for NIO, we saw a bit of profit taking. For Tesla, it's pretty much consolidating, right? So yes, we kind of like did a video on it about a month back, or probably about 2 months back as well. All right, and prices have kind of like gone up more. All right, so we look at Tesla and NIO again today, right, to see what it says on the chart and what are the new support levels that we could potentially try to time our entry to kind of get in again, to ride the rebound, to ride the uptrend further. Right, so this is what will be covered in today's video on Tesla and NIO, right, which are pretty much my two favorite companies in the electric vehicle space. There's a lot of potential in this sector, I would say, over the next few years, and I would say these are the two companies which you could potentially get in, or they kind of ride the massive potential that we're seeing in this EV sector. So yes guys, Joey here, top tier reminder and trader in Philips Securities and chief trainer at Trading Impossible, right? So yes, we'll cover these two stocks, Tesla and NIO, so do stick around all the way to the end of this video, because I think you're going to like what I got for you, and we're going to discover, alright, if we can still see a bit more upside in these two companies. So this is Tesla here, currently trading about $872. $872 over the past, I would say 3 weeks to 2 weeks plus. We have been pretty much consolidating in this range of that 800 to that $900, right? So 900, I would say, would be an immediate resistance that we are facing right now. You can see it kind of touch about 1, 2, 3, about 4 times. All right, and that's where sellers came back and kind of retraced back down to 800, and that's where buyers came out again, right? So yeah, I would say that Tesla, the uptrend still pretty much looks intact. You can see every time we have to come back down to some of those good support levels, like the $800 for now. All right, that's where we see buyers starting to come back to kind of like bargain hunt again. So right now, I would say this would be the range, or would be $100 range from 800 to 900, and this is where the 20 days moving average line is as well, right? So that's a short-term moving average. That's where we could see prices consolidating here. All right, with these lines still pointing out, I would say that still looks good. All right, and of course, for the mid to long-term trend for Tesla, I talked about it in the previous video. We are still looking at very good, gentle uptrend in terms of the 100 days moving average red line pointing up. You can see prices have come held above this red line all this while since like last year, April, March, May. All right, and of course the blue line, the 200 days moving average, is also kind of like sloping upwards, right? So yes, I would say a very gentle uptrend, which is healthy, all right, to see a bit of consolidation now. So the consolidation that we are seeing now is pretty much like what we have seen somewhere in August, September, October. For like about 2-3 months, we were like consolidating below that $500. Same thing, right? So we might actually consolidate here probably in the next few weeks to maybe next 1 month, all right? And that's where we might actually attempt to break that 900 and of course head towards the next critical target at that 1000. Look at this, right? So it was like 500 to like 1000. If we were to kind of like draw up, from 500 to 1000, you can see it's like almost 100% in just, I would say, about 2 to 3 months. So it's quite a good, I would say, move up, and that's where we can see profit taking along the way. I would say near that 1000 level, that's where we might actually see a bit of profit taking. That's where you can also take some money in your pocket, take some money off the table and put it in your pocket as well. And of course, take steps to kind of protect your profits as we ride this counter, right? So this is Tesla, I would say, one of those really good uptrending counter, fundamentally strong, high growth company, all right, which you can put in your watch list. You can also try to get in on any dips, I would say, near the $800 level. You might start to see it rebound from there again, and that's where you could actually lock in some positions to ride the rebound from 800 or maybe with $700. If it does hit to that level, I think it's a very good opportunity to kind of get in again, to kind of get in on this good uptrending company. All right, so this is Tesla here, currently trading at about $872 with an immediate resistance at about $900 for now. So guys, if you like this video, be sure to give me an early thumbs up. It will definitely help out the YouTube channel, right? And thank you so much for doing this. So this is NIO, all right, also another electric vehicle company that I like, all right, besides Tesla. And for NIO, you can see that we have kind of broke above that $55 just about the first week of January, all right, kind of hit it all the way to about 65, near that 70, and that's where some profit taking came back, right? So over the past, I would say 2 to 3 weeks, we were pretty much back to some consolidation above the new support level. So it's pretty much the resistance at 55, but right now, this 55 level would turn from a resistance to a new support level. Yes, so look at this, right? Over the past 2 to 3 weeks, every time we hit towards that 55 level, right over here, you can see kind of rebounded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 to 8 times. They have kind of like rebounded from this 55, which kind of like reaffirms that level as a new support level, which was previously the resistance that we were kept below over the past, I would say, 2 months, right? So this 55 would be a good support level. I think right now anything above 55 in terms of the uptrend in the short term, it still looks quite good. All right, we might actually see a rebound back to that 65 to that $70 level. This would be, I would say, the immediate range for NIO, all right, as long as we hold above that 55 level. All right, and in terms of the trend as well for the mid to long term, look at this. I think I talked about it in the previous video. This red line, the 100 days moving average, is still pretty much pointing up. All right, the blue line is pointing up, so very, very good gentle uptrend. Like, you know, just like Tesla, we're like consolidating, break higher, kind of consolidate. You can see that previously from like November to somewhere around January, we consolidated for about 2 months. So yes, we might actually consolidate in this range for about 1 to 2 months, 55 to 65, before hopefully attempting to break that 65 to $70 and hopefully pushing higher. All right, but right now, that would be the range for NIO. All right, I would say it could be a good opportunity to kind of get in again on any dips just at that $55 to ride it back up to that 60 to 65 or maybe $70. Okay, so this is NIO right over here, currently trading at about 55.77. So yes guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you have taken note of some of the new higher support levels for each of them. For Tesla, it would be that $800 immediate level, and for NIO, it would be that $55. That's where we're actually seeing a bit of bargain hunting coming back, and that's where it kind of like rebounded from that level over the past 2 to 3 weeks. So it could be a good opportunity to kind of get in again, to kind of ride the uptrend for these stocks, and also to ride kind of the massive potential, right, in the whole entire electric vehicle space that will kind of play out over the next 5 to 10 years. Okay, so yes, I hope you like this video. If you have not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to smash the subscribe button, alright, so that you will be alerted when any new videos like this comes out. And I look forward to see you in the next video. Joey here. Thank you so much for watching.